ngiyafana ngiyadrip manje nomntana ungibiza ngenigga nomntana kazwana amanigga athi yo wena manigga manigga athi yini amabhuku ayasinda
Shit. Hey, El Sauce, my friends. Hey, y'all better watch out for El Sauce again. Y'all better watch out for El Sauce. Like, this nigga's been showing to my FYP gang, to my feeds gang. Like, I'm gonna let Bashaleng. This is all of us going to go Shala pants, get dub in. Right now, somebody got my neck up. It's El Sauce is about to take over, gang. He's about to take over the industry, gang. He's one of those niggas. This year, it's about to blow up again. Like, they need to show up on their ride again. This year, they're showing on their ride of trust again. El Sauce again. Don't sleep on that boy.